Are you looking for a marker? It's not a permanent marker for the whiteboard. As you can see here, I'm going to show you the difference between the refillable and the non-refillable. So if you have to buy something like that and you don't want to be one of those polluters in the planet, I'm going to show you this. So basically, most people buy these. These are cheap. Maybe $1, $2, you can buy something like that. They are not refillable. As you can see, the only thing, I mean, if you can find an ink for this, maybe you can do it. I think I was able to remove this, and maybe you can put something like that. Or if it dries out here, maybe you can remove that, flip it, and put it back again, and that's it. Otherwise, you have this brand, and I didn't know this brand. I found it on Amazon, so it's the Boar Master. So as you can see here, it says here on the back, says do not remove except when replacing the refill. So basically, don't remove this, otherwise it may dry out or who knows what. I didn't try it yet because this is new. As you can see, the point is good, and it's a chisel medium, as you can see here. Surely they may have another options. Here basically is the same thing, the chisel. They work, but even if you don't use them very often, they will dry out. So I don't like this brand that much. I was trying to talk to them, and they say, okay, you know, I send them an email. They send me the email. I don't have the email like handy, but I did ask the same thing on Amazon. As you can see, it says these markers are not refillable. So that's it. You buy them, you throw them away. This is the pack. So when you buy the markers, you have this, and you buy and it comes with this cartridge. As you can see, it's like for inks for a printer. So basically, you peel this out and you put this in. That's it. So I'm not going to take them out because I don't know if they are going to dry out if I take them out, but it says here don't remove it until you have to refill it. But at least you have an alternative instead of polluting the planet. You can buy this, and I think in the long run it will be better for everyone. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any questions, just let me know. And if you're outside of the United States, you want me to send you something like that, I can. Otherwise, I'll leave the link. Just buy yourself and send it to your address. Hopefully this video was useful. Leave me a comment and see you next time. Bye.